Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by removing power and unplugging the unit. This prevents shorting and lets you work safely. Once done, remove any removable trim or covers near the faceplate edges using the small Phillips to free visible screws. Keep them labeled in a container. Then use a plastic pry at one corner to separate the snap tabs gently. Pry a little, move to the next tab, and repeat. Make sure to keep track of fastener types so reassembly is straightforward. Continue by working the perimeter evenly. Release the spring clips in sequence to avoid bending the faceplate. You'll want to support the plate with one hand while you lift the next clip with a pry tool. Once the faceplate is loose, look for ribbon cables or small wire harnesses. Disconnect ribbon cables by flipping the locking tab up and pulling the cable straight out. Do not tug on the cable itself. Keep screws and connectors segregated so you can trace them back later. Now lift the faceplate off carefully and place it on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. You should inspect clips, alignment pins, and any gasket for wear. Replace broken clips before reassembly and clean contact surfaces with isopropyl if dirty. When putting it back, align pins first, then press evenly until clips engage. If the plate won't budge during removal, stop and apply a small amount of penetrating spray to the seams, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and try releasing clips again to avoid breakage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.